record rims on this car, on this TL. I just did his headlights just like mine, and I installed the Inspire fogs on the bottom. The morimito 70mm halo, LED sequential turn signal, clear lenses, and demon eyes also, and painted housing, and the Inspire fogs on the bottom with the A-Spec kit. So this is what it looks like with the morimito HIDs and the fogs. So what I'm going to do now is start the car for you guys. Oh, it's real clean in here. This car is real clean. Nice. Customer said it was okay if I record this car. So I started it up. If you guys have hard starting, clean off your battery terminals, because it could be the battery terminals that are corroded. Then need cleaning, and put some battery terminal greaser on it. I got some in my Amazon store if you guys are interested. Alright, so it's on, and what I did was I installed the button down here, on and off button switch, to turn the demon eyes on and off whenever he wants to. So right now nothing is on, so I'm turning the demon eyes. One click for the LED strip to turn on, and press the button for the fogs to turn on. So as you can see, it's slow blinking because I had low resistance to both sides. So now I'm gonna go around the front and show you guys. So this is what it looks like in the day. This looks amazing. This also has a switchback function, but I didn't hook it up because it was too many turn things on the turn signal, because he got the 0708 mirrors too. So this is what it looks like with the morimito HID fogs for 150, the 70mm halo ring, the 12-inch LED sequential shift, the demon eyes, and the halo rings in behind. This looks super clean in the daytime. Super duper clean. Look at that. Let me know what you guys think. He hasn't seen the car yet, so let me know what you guys think. Let me guys know what you guys think about how it came out with the Inspire fogs on the bottom, LED strip. Let me show you guys the turn signal. Well, you guys know what the turn signals are because I have them, but these things look super clean. This car looks super clean with these. So I'm gonna turn it on. If you guys, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys because I've been super busy with this build and putting it back together and everything. I haven't had time to do like any videos. I just did a tensioner earlier today, but I didn't record it because I was kind of in a rush to come back and finish this car up for the customer so he could come pick it up. But yeah, let me know what y'all think.